Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are going to see what is the expression uh, in the pest. The most important subject in the pest, or you can say one of the most important subject in the pest, is expectations. So let's see. You can go to pestphp.com docs, and in the getting started you can go to expectations. So when you're using the PHP unit, you um, pass your value in one method. And if you want to for example test one value, you must use a lot of methods and test that value. For example, I want to say an example. For example, here I use config app name. So I want to test this string. This string is Laravel. So the first thing is assert equals, and the expected is, for example, here is name is better, and the expected is name, and the actual is, for example, Laravel. So when run the test is successfully passed. And also I want to test I want to use as another asset to test this name. And also I want to say for example assert is a string and the name. This assert not null name, and something else you can use it, for example. And let's see. So 3 assertions and 1 passed, and it's work correctly. But in the pest you can use the chain method. Is a like chain it's like a chain of responsibility design pattern. If you are working with them, you know what I say. And or like a chain, it's like, let's here. So here you can see you can use the expect function. Here is use the pest, also the PHP unit. So I want to test this string like this with the pest. If you want to test, for example, a variable or something, or you want to test a value, is not matter, and pass your value here in the expect. You can see just gave just take one value. And also, so when you're use arrow, and you can see for example, you can see a lot of method that you can use here. So I want to test this assertion with the pest. So to be Laravel, to be a string, not to be a null. Now you can see in the one line I write these 3 lines and the test, and you can see my test successfully passed. So to be for example to be for example empty or something else, you can indent, also you can indent the tests, your assertions, and you can see you can use the chain method, and it's prevent to write duplicate codes. For example, here, for example, we have a 3 assertion, or maybe you have a for example 10 assertions. You need to write assert, for example, equal, assert something, assert blah blah blah, and the subscription between these is the expected value, and or the you can say the value. And for example, if one day you change this variable name, for example, is the name 2, you need to change this. But in the Pest, you can write the less than code, and also you can change the value very fast, and it's very cleaner and readable. And is that the expectation in the Pest? In the future videos, we are talking about the expectations methods. It's here you can see the list of the methods, for example, to be array and something else, and work with them. And also the very interested method is and the not method is very cool and interested methods. And the last word or the last sentence is the Pest is very modern testing framework, and if you want to write the very fast and readable test, I suggest to use the Pest. And also I'm one of the contributor of the Pest, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you have any question or suggestion, you can write comment under my videos, and or send email for me. Until next video, goodbye.